Okay.
Wow, you're so beautiful and so big. And can I pretend to take a photo of it too? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. And you want me to read, right?
Yep.
Wow. How come they have different sizes? Oh, look at these water drops. Okay, you feel free to direct me too if you want me to.
Can you like put your hand down, like,
Oh, down?
yeah,
Okay.
and then just walk. Yeah. Okay.
It's so pretty. Can I do like a spin?
Yeah.
Like what if I did a spin? Let me know where you want me to spin. Like that. Is that good?
Yeah. That was cute.
Wow, Vicky, I have a feeling I'm gonna get a lot of like modeling offers after this.
I'm gonna go to the front now. Oh, how about I forgot? Like when I work my way around, you spin while I'm coming.
Oh, okay.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Is there a way that you want me to spin?
No, you can just spin.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I almost It's so beautiful. Wow. Oh my god, look at this.
Okay.